It's crazy how many's out there. They're just everywhere. God. They definitely keep me hopping with feeding them. Oh man, they need a refill right now. It's hanging off everywhere. I'll tell you what, I wouldn't be afraid to say there's like 100 of them out there somewhere. In the trees, all over this area. It's just crazy. And no, I'm not putting the window feeder on the window. They would kill themselves against it. This many. And plus my cats in the house would like go crazy banging the window. And that isn't going to happen. Because I know that would happen. I can't do that. I could film these guys all day, and girls. And I can't even envision what it's going to be like when they have their children. Anyway, this is just so beautiful. So many beautiful colors. Some are just so, you know, iridescent. I mean, like, really bright orange. Some are not bright orange. There's just all shades. I guess the shades is according to ages, you know. So, I had an expert tell me the one of mystery is a female that's really old, I guess. So, apparently she likes it here. Oh, wow. Yeah, they're so pretty out there. Hey, let's not forget the blue jay. We like him, too. We like everybody. Oh, yeah, they're just... I gotta quit. Oh, let's quit on you. How's that?